Hi, today I'm going to explain this campaign that we have offering the trading course which I created last year in 2014, Trading GoPro Live, explaining the methodology which can be used to trade or to invest in the markets, any stock. 2 months ago we created several video-on-demand plans, and you find out on the website, video on demand, that 2 of those plans they include the trading course. Well, personally, I'm against it. So what I decided to do, against the opinion of the team 2 months ago, it was to create this campaign precisely having in mind that 30 days or 45 days hereafter, I'm going to remove the trading course. For a very simple reason. I'm against offering something of great value included in one video on demand plan when I have subscribers making millions of dollars without paying what I consider that will be fair to the company. And therefore this is the answer to the question, why are you offering the trading course for free? That was a mistake by the team 2 months ago to include it on the video on demand plan, namely the investor, and therefore to remove it we are going to give you more 30 or 45 days, and thereafter you are going to pay for it as it happened to everyone else last year in 2014 and thereafter. So you have here testimonials of people that they traded GoPro since IPO according to my instructions, and you find more than 50 articles about it. Here you have the plans. The plan, as you can see here, there are 2 plans where you have the trading course included for free, the investor and the guru. And our objective is precisely to remove the trading course from the investor plan, and only the guru plan will include the trading course. And so I believe that this it is pretty simple, pretty clear on the website. And the reason why I'm doing this, I repeat, subscribers, they are making so much money that it is unfair to the company to be offering all this information without receiving the fair payment for this sensitive data. Just to give an example, yesterday or before yesterday, I published a case study, an article on the company website. Here you have the original lesson, Netflix earnings live call, and this resulted, if you click here on the daily show events, you find precisely, and this is just an example because I'm not going to discuss Transocean or First Solar or many other stocks that I could discuss and they have been addressed on video on demand. This is an example of a review which I received yesterday. So, my friends, the trading course, if you want it, you have more 30 to 45 days if I decide not to remove it before. Because it happened with the Mad Money package or bundle, which we created 30 days ago, we expired it, we removed it. And with the trading course, just because it was by mistake our responsibility to include it in the investor plan, we are going to give more 30 days, and thereafter everyone is going to pay for it the same price as you were paying in 2014. And so here you have the review, the testimonial, and this case study is based on information, just one single video that was or it is available on the website. And when one subscribes to one of these plans, for example the investor plan, you had access to all these videos. And bear in mind that the first subscribers to the investor plan, they had access to premium content, and you know about it. And that was not included in the plan. So when in 2014 I created the trading course, for example, I sent SMS trade alerts for free in GoPro, teaching one how to make $50,000 in one single day. I included that, and it was not given in the sense that we offered afterwards. And in this case, on the video on demand investor plan, it happened exactly the same. But we are not going to continue with this plan as it is, all right? Because I disagree with this value proposition, which is of no interest whatsoever to the company. Therefore, the trading course, it will not be available in the investor plan. You will have to buy the guru plan, which is our most popular plan going forward. And I would like to finalize with the following. Today I called an individual, and he had he has like 50,000 US dollars. And so the individual is kind of afraid how to say, maybe afraid is not the word, maybe he has doubts about the service, whether he should subscribe or not. And my answer is, quite frankly, is the same. If you have questions about the service, or in the sense that you find that the information that you have on the website, it is not sufficient for you to make a decision, I prefer that you do not make a decision and you go somewhere else. Because there are so many companies out there that they are offering free service and free information, or $20 or $40. I prefer personally that you go there and then you find out one day whether that is worth or not. But we don't have resources to be here, 10 or 20 persons picking up the phone, because we don't use middlemen, we use experts in trading, to be calling people when I consider, and when more than 95% of people consider that the information on the website, it is clear, transparent, and it is unique. So if people have, those that they have, small accounts, have questions, I think that is preferable, and there are lessons about it, where you have on the website companies that they can manage your capital. I'm not a financial advisor. You have lessons, I repeat, on the website. If you want to invest, if you have lessons on the website, companies in the United States or elsewhere that they can help you to manage your capital. We have lessons about it, all right? For people that they don't want to manage their own capital. We have lessons for those that they want to learn, for example, which broker to use. I'm tired of seeing people all these years that they blew up entirely their accounts by choosing the wrong broker. So we have lessons about all these topics. If you don't find these of interest, my friend, you have the internet, you have free service, you have Yahoo, you have MSN, you have Microsoft, you have many tools in the markets on the web to find out about where to put your money. I have customers, small accounts like yours, like the person that I called today, which in fact I'm against to call the individual, since does not make sense at all, where they subscribed to this investor plan, and they already paid the service. They already paid the service. So if you have questions about it, you have the reviews online. If you don't believe the information that you have online, case studies, calls recorded live, my friend, I think, quite frankly, that is preferable you to go somewhere else, because no one here, including myself, wants you as a subscriber. I'm not a salesman, no one here is in sales. So I think that this is clear. So why to bother, why to waste time when people, they have, you know, thousands of websites on the internet? I don't understand. Here, subscribers, what they do, they spend, and you have a video on it, they spend less than 1 minute to subscribe to a service. It is so simple, but, you know, for those that they are able to use a brain and their hands, because it is simple as that. So if people find arguments, excuses, you know, for problems that they don't exist whatsoever, I'm not a doctor, I'm not in charity, and since I'm not in charity like our friend Jim Cramer, it is preferable to be clear and transparent with people, saying, my friend, this of including the trading course, it was a mistake, and going forward, we give you 30 days or 45 days, and you are going to pay for it. And if you don't want, I'm fine with it. One of my first blog posts from 2 years ago, and we have more than 500 on the website, it is precisely the title, it is I'm fine with it. So I do recommend that you go through all the blog posts, because you are going to learn about my person, and in the end about what we do. It's quite frankly, it's quite simple, but don't waste time, you know, yourself or other people when their objective is to help those that they want to evolve or to learn something about the markets. All right?